multiplying double-digit numbers on Math Visions. Let's start with 56 times 7. We'll work this from right to left, starting with 6 times 7. Since this is 42, we write 2 in the ones place. Next, we carry 4 and write it above the 5 in 56. Next, we multiply 5 by 7, which is 35. However, we still have the 4 we carried above the 5. Therefore, we add this 4 to 35, which gives us a total of 39. Next, we write this 39 in front of the 2 we brought down. So now we know the answer to 56 times 7 is 392. Basically, this is the shorthand version of multiplying 6 by 7, then multiplying 50 by 7 and adding the answers. How about 56 times 37? First, we'll multiply 56 by 7 as we did in our previous example. After this, we scratch through the 4 above the 5 in 56 since it already served its purpose in multiplying 56 by 7. Next, we multiply the 6 in 56 by the 3 in 37. The answer to 6 times 3 is 18. Since we're multiplying 6 by the digit in the tens place of the bottom number, we write 8 in the tens place. We then write 1 above 5 in 56. Next, we multiply 5 by 3, which is 15. But we still have the 1 we carried above the 5. What do we do now? If you said add this 1 to 15, that's correct. This gives us 16, and we write this in front of the 8 we brought down. Now, we add 392 to 168, shifted one space to the left. Our answer to 56 times 37 is 2072. You'll notice in our exploded view, if we add the answers of 6 times 7 and 50 times 7, as well as those of 6 times 30 and 50 times 30, our answer is also 2072. Let's do 22 times 68. If you noticed, we have a number, 22, where both digits are the same. We can make this one easier by reversing the positions of our two numbers and doing 68 times 22. Since we're only multiplying, our answer will remain the same regardless of which number comes first. Working from right to left, we multiply 8 by 2, which is 16. What's our next step? If you said write 6 in the ones place, and then write 1 above the 6 in 68, you're right. Next, we multiply 6 from 68 by 2, which gives us 12. What comes next? If you said add 12 to the 1 we carried and write 13 in front of the 6 that we brought down, that's correct. Since we now know that 68 times 2 is 136, and we're multiplying 68 by 22, we can write another instance of 136 and shift it one space to the left. This makes sure that the 6 in our second 136 is in the tens place, the location of our second instance of 2 and 22. Now, we add our first instance of 136 to our second instance that's been shifted one space to the left and get our final answer, 1,496. Well, that's a wrap for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my knowledge building exercises, link below in the description. I look forward to meeting with you right here next time on Math Visions.